Hi, I'm Mark Phillips with this Aftermarket Intel Show Update. The 25th Annual INA PAACE Automechanika Mexico, the foremost automotive aftermarket trade show and educational event in Latin America, takes place July 12th to the 14th, 2023 in Mexico City. This year's event will host hundreds of exhibitors, showcase thousands of cutting-edge products, and offer more than 100 training sessions for professionals in the automotive aftermarket, OE manufacturing, and service sectors. The show will provide 3 days of free, hands-on automotive training for pre-registered attendees covering mechanical, collision, and business management classes. Attendees can expect numerous networking opportunities, interaction with manufacturers, and live product demonstrations. Exhibitors will have a unique chance to present their offerings to a diverse audience, including distributors, technicians, shop owners, and wholesalers. It's going to be an informative, innovative, and interactive experience with new features designed to keep the automotive community connected. In collaboration with the International Body Shop Industry Symposium, INA PAACE Automechanika Mexico will emphasize the collision repair industry through show floor sessions and networking events. Register now to secure your spot at Latin America's most prominent automotive trade show and educational event. For more information, I'll have links below this video. I'm Mark Phillips, and thanks for watching this Aftermarket Intel Trade Show Update.